So this is your Musafir. So finally leaving from Buldhana actually. So this is how we are leaving. That the vehicle. अभी तो डीजल भरना चालू है. So the first stop for this journey is like almost till Pune, the first stop. Then it continues beyond. So हम जा रहे हैं गोवा. So the destination has been revealed finally. Goa, yay! So this is how we leave. That's everyone. Mangesh, Datta and Yogesh. So right now we are in Pune and finally we have reached. We are stopped by the police actually. Normal routine. It's cold out here, dude, and it's almost let me check, 7 o'clock and we have crossed Karad. We are like 180 kilometers from Pune. We left at like 5:15 or something like that, but still we are here. It's really very cold. Everybody is having tea and coffee over there. चलो चलते. लॉट ऑफ लाइक पहले अभी गणपतिपुळे जा रहे हैं. गणपतिपुळे से फिर आगे जाएंगे. सो अभी तो गणपतिपुळे लाइक 156 किलोमीटर्स. होप फॉर द बेस्ट. चलो बाय. सो गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रॉम समवेयर आउटसाइड कराड़. Somewhere else. I'm gonna show you something. It's quite interesting. So this is the place. I hope you like the time lapse. A good time lapse, right? So we are heading towards गणपतिपुळे and थोड़ी सी नींद आ रही है बट हाँ ठीक है. इट्स मैनेजेबल. ब्रेक लिया था अभी की वजह से थोड़ा आराम करते. टेक अ ब्रेक. थोड़ा चिल करते. राइट, चिल करने तो जा रहे हैं. So finally we are in Ganapatipule actually. I'm going for the temple. It's right over there. Just heading towards it. It's just straight. Thoda tired hoo. You can see my eyes. I'm totally like tired, dude. It's quite hard, but let's see. So it looks very interesting. The beach. I hope you can enjoy the view over here. It took almost 14 hours, almost 14 hours, but ठीक है यार. यहाँ आने के बाद after seeing this much, I'm at least a bit satisfied. Actually, I'm heading towards the temple right now. That's the temple. Let's go to the temple. Woo! So we're entering the temple actually. Dada? Yes, sir, please. Okay. So this is the kind of bag you get to put your stuff. Thank you. You are entering now. He told me not to take the camera inside and not to activate it, or else they'll like take the camera and they won't give it back. So agar aate ho to please don't shoot inside the temple. At least you can shoot till the gate, not afterwards. So this is kind of the entrance and the temple around. पर अंदर कैमरा लेके आना तो मना ही है, so I can't take and shoot inside. So see ya guys when I come outside. Bye bye. So we came outside. बाहर तो आ गए and they didn't allow to shoot inside. So that's the biggest mess I have facing right now. I hope you like the cinematic shots and the drone shots for this place. So this is the kind of feature they applies. आप यहाँ पे अपना घर का एड्रेस वगैरह लिख सकते हो, एंड व्हेन जब भी अभिषेक होगा तो यहाँ से they'll send the courier or the prasad to our house back at the hometown. Bye bye. So it's done. We're heading towards beach. Beach is calling us. So let's see you on the beach. We've got the sleepers back. नहीं 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 बोलते बोलते फाइनली हम जा रहे हैं। झूठे वादा कर रहा है लौंडा अपने साथ, चड्डी वाला बंदा यही बट आ गया। Out of it, finally. I'm tired, man. I'm damn tired. Let's go back. Heading towards Goa. Done with Ganapatipule. Hope you like the drone shot and the cinematic shots are done on this beach. See ya in Goa, guys. See ya in Goa. Bye bye.